Hello, welcome, come in. This is the Marina Bay Sands Hotel Suites. It's one of their suites. It's on the 15th floor. My husband basically surprised me with this one night stay here, and it's a gorgeous room, so I want to show you guys. So as you can see, it opens up to the living room. We have a full-length mirror here, which you can check your outfit before you leave. And then because it's the corner unit, I feel like I'm a property lim brother. Because it's the corner unit, you can actually see the gorgeous ECP highways there. That's where we usually have our National Day Parade, and then we have the highways there. It's a Sunday night, so there's not a lot of cars here, but it's a pretty fantastic view, and we're getting that.
That's where the helicopters are starting.
Oh really? Oh cool. It's the National Day like flyby tomorrow, so we're hoping that our son can actually see it. So in we go into the living room, which we haven't used yet, but as you can see, nice place to chill. So we've got a TV here, very nice countertop. The fridge is in here, and I was very pleasantly surprised to know that everything in here is free. It's complimentary. We have coffee creamers, apple juice, orange juice. They also give us a cake to celebrate our special day, Coke, Sprite. And then there's an espresso machine here, which I have no idea how to use, but we'll figure that out in the morning. And then here we have like tidbits, actually just two tidbits, truffles and oriental mix. These are all like drawers, and we have a little lovely office table where if you decide to work from the suite. Okay, before we get to the balcony, I will show you the bathroom first. So the bathroom is actually through this doorway. It is a gorgeous bathroom. Are you ready? I'll go in and knock on the door, okay? Oh hi! Welcome to the bathroom! It's a gorgeous bathroom. Can that blind be open? I don't think so, right? I don't know, but it would be awesome if it could be open. Okay, it does open, and you can enjoy the view of the rooftop of Marina Bay Sands. Yay! But it's a pretty decent view, I guess. Oh no, you can actually see everything else. Wow! So this side is actually where the CBD is. So you can see Fullerton Hotel, pretty much everything. It's an awesome view. Wow, this is actually really nice to just soak in the bathtub with this, with the lights off and stuff. So all their toiletries are Roberto Cavalli toiletries. This is how the sink looks like, very nice. The WC is in here, very standard WC. There's no water spray, which I don't appreciate that not being a water spray. Here is where the shower room is. It's odd that it doesn't have a hand shower, so it only comes with a tap, a shower head here, and no rain showers as well. But you've got all your necessities that you need. You only have to bring yourself. Now, shall we look at the balcony? Oh, let me show you this view here. This is the same view as the bathroom. You can see Mandarin Oriental, Suntec City area, and then you have the Esplanade, and this is the nice road that is the highway there. So really pretty. We'll save the balcony for last. Okay, so you go through this area here. It's a huge room. How many square feet do you think this is? So it's like a long corridor, and it goes into the bedroom. So this is a bedroom. We think this is a super king size bed because our feet, we're pretty tall people, and our feet don't actually dangle off the bed like it usually does at home. But yeah, it's a really nice, simple but classy looking bedroom. And you get the wonderful view of, again, look, it's automatically opening because I touched it. So So you have the CBD view over there, which is really, really awesome. So really nice view. And Mim was saying that it's very rare that you actually get glass windows on both sides. So you have like your electrical points and everything. Okay, TV here. And then, so this is balcony number 1. Okay, so it says here that once you open the door, the aircon stops. So that's pretty smart. So they actually have a balcony out here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this is like a small-ish balcony. But I think in most places this is like a pretty big balcony. We like that there's like a proper width to the balcony. And then look at the view, guys. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. I was telling Ming that this is the first time that I have actually appreciated the beauty of Gardens by the Bay. It's quite breathtaking. Walk out here and you have balcony number 2. So I think it's obviously quite big for like just 2 people. So I think they can put in like extra beds if you need to. So this is the main balcony, which is massive. It's huge. And we have our lunch in this table, so like you can have like proper meals here, and then you can be actually chilled in this area, overlooking the sea. So it's really breathtaking. Okay, let me give you a panoramic view from here. So all the way there. So beautiful, isn't it? I think we're gonna soak in as much as possible tonight. Look at that Singapore flyer peeking by the corner. It's so beautiful, and you get complete privacy as well, because the other balcony is actually your balcony as well. Beautiful, beautiful view. And we actually thought that getting a higher floor would mean a better view, but we actually did see a room on the 35th floor or something, and actually the view on this floor is actually better because you are kind of like not too high. So yeah, that's something that you might want to consider if you are considering staying here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short room tour of this beautiful room. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're still watching, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye!